हेलो वीवर्स, आप सभी का हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल एसआरबी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ शॉर्ट हैंड सेंटर में स्वागत है। अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक करें तथा बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाएं, जिससे हमारी आने वाली हर नई वीडियो आप तक पहुंच सके। आज आपको 100 वर्ड पर मिनट का लीगल डिक्टेशन देंगे। रेडी, टेक डाउन, स्टार्ट। Heard Sri Alok Kumar, Learned Counsel for the Revisionist, and Sri A.C. Tripathi, the Learned Standing Counsel, para. This revision has been preferred against the judgment rendered by the tribunal on 15 September 2007. Stop. The SSE had, against the order of assessment, been granted relief by the first appellate authority, which accepted its contention that it was not engaged in the sale and purchase or manufacture of articles so as to be exhibited to tax under the UP Trade Tax Act 1948 within bracket 1948 Act bracket of. Stop. The tribunal has set aside this order by allowing the appeal of the department in part and while restoring the order passed by the assessing authority reduced the amount of tax which according to the respondents had not been fully and faithfully disclosed para. The proceedings themselves emanate from a survey of the premises owned by the revisionist on 29 September 2005. Stop. During the course of the survey, the team is stated to have noted the existence of 55 sacks of chana, 3 sacks of chana dal, 30 kg of chuni, and 4 sacks containing pouches and packages of mustard oil. Stop. Upon this discovery, the revisionist was called upon to show cause. Stop. In its reply, which was preferred before the assessing authority, it took the stand that it was not engaged in any transaction of sale and purchase, and that it only undertakes the processing of flour and manufacture of oil on the basis of certain conversion charges which are paid to it. For this purpose, stop. The assertion stands duly reflected in paragraph numbers 3, 5, and 13 of the reply which was submitted. Stop. The assessing authority, however, proceeded to hold that the very existence of products in such quantity would establish the SSE being engaged in the sale and purchase of commodities and willfully not making a candid and full disclosure with regard to its liability under the 1948 Act. Stop. Taking into account the quality of articles which were found, it has proceeded to form an opinion that the revisionist was engaged in the manufacture of dal and other commodities. Stop. It has accordingly been assessed as such under the 1948 Act para. The submission of Sri Kumar, Learned Counsel for the Revisionist, was that the entire assessment proceedings have been framed on the basis of surmises and conjectures. Stop. He laid stress upon the fact that there was no material before the respondent which may have even remotely evidenced or established a transaction of sale or purchase that may have been entered into by the SSE. Stop. He submits that the respondents also do not rest their conclusions on any material which may have been found tending to indicate that the reply which was tendered and the contentions which stood raised therein were false and misleading. Stop. He submitted that the SSC had categorically asserted that it was only processing the articles for and on behalf of individuals who were paying it a conversion charge alone. Stop. Sri Kumar submitted that this activity of conversion or processing could not be subjected to a tax under any provision of the 1948 Act. Stop.